In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get different endings in Elden Ring Nightreign. So, in Elden Ring Nightreign, there's only set amounts of endings. There's like a lot of endings depending on what you do, but you will only get one ending if you haven't done any of the character's remembrance quests. So, if you done character's remembrance quests and while fighting, Night Aspect, if you defeated Night Aspect, let's say while you finish remembrance quest with like Wilder and you equip his specific relic, you can get a specific ending for him that I will play right here. So you will get this ending right. So you get this specific ending right here if you have the silver relic thingy you on your relic slot while you finish the Hellastar Knight aspect. Same thing will happen if you finish Iron Eyes, Remembrance or like Recluse. They have specific endings, and you will not get the neutral ending. The neutral ending you will get by not doing any remembrance and just defeating the Night Lord, and you will get like the true ending or like the normal ending. But right here is the special ending for Wilder. Yeah, spoilers alert. Spoilers. I got this ending, and this ending meant that Wilder sacrificed himself, so he turns into a Night Lord to save her sister, which is Duchess, in the ending, so she can continue to exist. So the night doesn't becomes doesn't fade, so the night still continues, and her sister still has a purpose to live, and the night tables the round table still exists for her to continue existing, but at the cost of Wilder becoming the next Night Lord. So that's the ending that you will get if you finish Wilder's Remembrance while having the silver tier relic on your inventory or your relic slot after finishing the game, and you will trigger like special cutscenes. There's other endings too for other characters, but you do need to do the remembrance or their story so you can get those endings. But if you want just like the normal ending, just don't do the remembrance or don't use characters that you finish the remembrance quest on. And yeah, guys, that's how you can get different endings in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.